Hi there and welcome back to my channel, my friends. John here from Romania. I am an online entrepreneur and I like to share with you value information and ideas about making money online. Take your time for learning and make money right after that. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing with bell notification on. I will show you for today's video one app that paid $12,100,000 altogether to their clients from everywhere the world. This is a totally free application, which you can introduce to your smartphone device, use it from any place on the planet and bring in a genuine cash. You don't need to sell anything, you don't need to offer any support, you don't need to do affiliate marketing, make any recordings or become any online media stages, you should simply play computer games on your smartphone, observe free promotions and gather your income. So it's certainly probably the least demanding ways you can bring in cash on the web. Also, it permits you to have such a lot of opportunity, implying that you could be on the seashore, out with companions holding up in line, laying in bed, and so on. Furthermore, you can in any case utilize this application and bring in cash. Presently, most importantly, I need you to follow me on Instagram at Work Smart Not Hard, on the grounds that out of the initial 1,000 individuals that do that, I will arbitrarily pick a 5, DM them and remunerated with little monetary rewards. We previously did this 2 days back. Also, I just chose to rehash it. So by and by, go to Instagram, look for Work Smart Not Hard and follow me on the grounds that in addition to the fact that you have an opportunity to win little monetary rewards, however you will likewise will interface with me by and by, study me, be the first to get some answers concerning most recent updates, giveaways, and the sky is the limit from there. Furthermore, not long before I uncover this application to you, don't neglect to drop a like to this video too. Leave a comment on the off chance that you love bringing in cash on the web, and make sure to subscribe with bell notification on so you don't pass up any of the new videos. Alright, so how about we start with this instructional exercise? As should be obvious, they've paid out over millions, $12,000 to their clients. It's actually checking up. So individuals are bringing in a genuine cash with this site. Clearly, not a solitary individual can acquire $12 million alone, however it simply gives you a more clear viewpoint of how much cash individuals are making with this site. By and by, you can't make $12 million by utilizing this application. In any case, you can in any case make some fair side pay just by playing computer games. Also, you can do this in your extra time, spend like under 5 minutes per day on this application and still have some pay to depend on. You can recover your focuses, they call those focuses units on this site. Furthermore, you can recover those focuses for wonderful prizes like Amazon Visa gift vouchers, which is a genuine money, Google Play gift vouchers and numerous others. And afterward you can spend those gift vouchers as a genuine cash. You can purchase anything you desire to. Furthermore, you're fundamentally being paid a genuine money with this application. Presently, a truly cool thing about this application is that you really will pick which games you need to play. So you can discover which ones are intriguing to you, which ones you like to play, which class you like, and simply find new games and play them. What's more, best of all, a portion of those games are really paid adaptations of games, and now you will utilize them for totally free. What's more, on top of that, you're being paid to play them. Games are suggested only for you. Whenever you're joined to this site or application, they will really ask you what are your inclinations, which games you like, and as per obligation, they will suggest you games which you can play. Then the progression number 2 is you play those games and gather units, and they utilize the units as a focuses. So units approaches focuses, they call them units. The more you play, the more you procure, clearly. However, regardless of whether you played for only 5 minutes every day, you can in any case bring in some cash, yet the more you play, the more cash you will acquire. Also, essentially the manner in which this works is within those applications while playing the game, obviously, they will show you a few promotions as an afterthought. What's more, these folks are simply parting the promotion income with you. What's more, that is the reason they're saying the more you play, the more you acquire, on the grounds that the more advertisements you will have the option to see. So both view in this application are bringing in cash, which is a genuine, truly virtuoso. What's more, you don't need to tap on those advertisements, you don't need to purchase anything, you don't need to go through any cash, you simply play the game, disregard the promotions. They're springing up on there as an afterthought, and they're springing up while playing the game. Simply disregard those advertisements, and you'll take a bring in cash. That is to say, it's truly straightforward, it's simple. Also, there's no genuine work needed from your side. That is to say, you don't need to advance anything, you don't need to make any items, you don't need to sell anything, you needn't bother with a site or at all. In a real sense, a total novice can bounce on this application, play a few games and make some additional money. Obviously, step number 3 is to recover those prizes, reclaim your units or focuses for wonderful or compensations as we've discussed before. Also, a truly fun and intriguing thing about this application is that they have challenges each and every week. So and afterward for an opportunity to win the terrific prize, which is an occasionally right around 6 figures, which is only a ton consistently they dispatch new challenges. What's more, the last challenge, so every month offers an epic stupendous prize. Now and again that is thousands of dollars and one individual will win that is utilizing this application. Also, this makes it an outrageously fun. So on a normal regular routine, you can play those games, procure some side pay, yet then each and every week, you can answer new challenges which on the off chance that you win, you will really bring in significantly more cash, some of the time hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Also, that is the thing that makes this application along these lines, so fun. Also, it in some cases turns out to be truly addictive. That is to say, playing computer games is something that we as of now do each and every day, the vast majority of us as of now do, for no reason in particular. What's more, presently you can really participate in challenges to win a genuine money and a genuine astonishments. At times that is not a money. Here and there it will be a PlayStation or some other contraption. Yet, it's still acceptable since it's totally free. Also, it's only for playing computer games, you can obviously play with companions and even make new ones. So you may meet new individuals on this application too, which additionally makes it a truly captivating and truly addictive in light of the fact that in this application, you have social experience, since that permits you to perceive what their companions are playing, rival them on the leaderboards, or simply kick back and sit down to talk with them. So you can likewise talk with your companions, or simply visit with new individuals, meet new individuals within the application that are additionally bringing in cash. With that kid, we can perceive what others are saying about the application, how much cash they are making. What's more, you can see they're generally living 5-star input. So a ton of them are really happy with the measure of cash they're making. Clearly, they're not making a great many dollars, they're maybe making 10, or 15, or $20. In any case, it's still acceptable in light of the fact that it's only for messing around. That is to say, other applications which you use, and you mess around are presumably not paying you at all, this one will really pay you for investing your energy playing those games. Furthermore, presently you don't need to feel regretful for going through hours in your telephone laying in bed and messing around, on the grounds that will really pay you, will really bring in cash from that. As should be obvious, Cindy says I play all the games they like and procure focuses when a storing comes, there are no issues, they truly pay you to play. They even show you what a game is procured the most focuses, it's your decision too large of a game, incredible fun. Furthermore, this was from July 27, 2020. Furthermore, she left 5-star reviews, which is a great. Now this application is called Misplay. Furthermore, this is over the misplay.com. This is their authority landing page. So you can utilize the Astonish form. On the off chance that you approach misplay.com, you can simply tap on this catch here to introduce the application to your smartphone device. Also, sadly, this application is at present accessible just on the Google Play Store. So it's just for Androids right now. However, they should deliver the iOS form as soon, yet for the present, just in the event that you have an Android, you can utilize this application by and by. It's called Misplay. You can even go to Google Play Store, look for Misplay, discover this logo, introduce the application for totally free and sign or peruse those games, find new games you love, begin playing them, and you can begin bringing in some cash by and by. They've paid out more than $12 million through their clients. Also, similar to a few minutes, they pay out another compensations to individuals messing around with their application. Also, by and by, remember to go to Instagram and follow me at Work Smart Not Hard. This is my solitary genuine record. So try to go carefully to Work Smart Not Hard, or I have around 30 followers right now. What's more, make a point to follow me since I truly need to associate with you folks. I'm sharing new updates and new giveaway declarations, and I'm sharing my ordinary live on this Instagram page. So in the event that you need to become more acquainted with me somewhat more, in the event that you need to be the first to get some answers concerning new giveaways and updates coming up in new recordings. And furthermore, I made a fantasy up in Dubai a week ago, so in the event that you would prefer not to miss things like that and simply go to Instagram and follow me at Work Smart Not Hard visit, I trust you got an incentive out of this video. Furthermore, in the event that you did, remember to drop a like, to leave a comment, and on the off chance that you haven't as of now, make certain to look around to this channel and subscribe with bell notification on so you don't pass up any of the new substance. As usual, a debt of gratitude is in order for watching, and I will see you in a portion of the following recordings. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.